What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Fang from Brawl Stars. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the top edge of the eyes. And leave a gap in the center. Let's start with the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes up and we'll just bend that out towards the end. Let's line up the inside over on the right and do the same thing. We're going to bend this up and then out. Now I want to connect the ends with a half circle coming down the bottom of the eye. So we're going to come down, bend that up on the inside. Go to the right and do the same thing, coming down towards the same height, and then bend that back up. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside. So we'll start on the left. We're going to draw a half oval, coming down, and then up. And you want to fill the inside of the eyes in black. Now we're going to line up at the bottom edge of the eyes, move to the center and draw a curve for the nose. We're going to come down and then bend that up. Let's move down. We want to shift the mouth over towards the right. So we start on the left, bend this across and up. Let's round out the corners of the mouth. Coming around and then back in. Let's close off the bottom with another curve. Now we're going to go inside and separate the teeth, starting in the middle. Start with a straight angle line coming down, move out, and add one more on either side. Now we're going to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the face. We're going to start on the left, curve this down, come in just underneath the mouth, go across, and then bend that back up. Let's add a point, coming down and in, angle this up, and then out. Let's connect the top of the face with a curve, going up and then down. Now with the hat brim in place, let's draw in the eyebrows. We're going to start from the inside corner of the eye. We're going to angle this up and then out. And then just tuck that up and in underneath the hat brim. Let's go back to the inside, angle this up and in. And we'll close off the top. I'm just going to tuck the tip of the eyebrows underneath the hat brim, and we'll fill the eyebrows in black. Let's go to the corner of the head, angle this up and then out, and we'll close out the top with another curve. Now we're going to come back down towards the side of the face. I'm just going to bend the head, going out, and go all the way up towards the top, and line this up on the right side. And again, we're going to draw another curve, going across the top, and then back down. From the top corner of the hat brim, I'm just going to angle this up and in. And you want to trace the sides and the bottom. Let's tuck the ears along the side of the head. We'll start on the left side, going out, come around, and then back in. And then along the top, we'll add a fold. Let's go back to the top corner of the head. Just going to bend this out and then up. And close off the top with a curve. We're going to go up in the middle, go across the center, and then come down towards the right side. Now when you go in the middle, add a point, bend the hair going out and then down toward the left, and then the right side. And then from the bottom, bend this out and then up. Now let's tuck the edge of the visor in behind the hair. On the left, bend this up and in. Now I'm just going to follow this curve in across the middle, and then back down on the right. Let's go back to the bottom of the head, add a curve. The collar, Move out to the side, bend the body, going out and then down toward the left hip, and then the right hip. Close out the bottom with a curve. Now from the top of the collar, add that strap coming out and then down. From the center of the body, we're going to step down, bend this up and then down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg coming down and out, and do the same thing on the right. Now let's round out the bottom of the pant, coming down and up towards the side. And I'll round out the hips, going out and then down. For the left hip, we're going to step in, draw the suspenders going out and then down across the side of the leg. And we'll add a clip on the right side, coming around and up, and out towards the side of the leg, and add 2 dots on the inside. Let's add a thick cuff across the bottom, and bend this down, and then up on both sides. Now from the inside, let's bend the foot, going out and then down towards the heel. Now we'll round out the bottom of the feet, coming down and then up. From the outside of the foot, we're going to go up and bend this down, aiming towards the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. And then from the outside of the cuff, angle the foot, coming down and then out. Let's add a small clip along the inside of the heel. And then we're going to add a thick sole on the bottom of the foot, just following that same curve, coming in towards the heel, and then out towards the toe. Now let's move back up about halfway down the side of the body. We're going to bend the inside of the arm, going out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a half circle for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Now I'm going to curl 3 fingers along the bottom, starting from the bottom of the thumb, come down and up around that bracket, go to the side, add the second finger, and then the third finger, we're just going to go all the way around about halfway towards the side of the arm. Now I want to add that crown in between the outside and the inside of the arm. So let's start up here, the 2 straight lines going across the middle. And then from the bottom, we're going to go up toward point and then back down. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. So start with 2 straight lines, go up and then back down. And we're going to connect the outside of the arm to the inside with a curve going in toward the center of that crown and then back down. Go back up to the top, angle this down and in with a short line, add that larger point in the center. And then we're going to layer the outside of the arm in behind the glove. So from here, step in, bend the arm going up and then in towards the top. Now over on the right side, we're going to see the ponytail in behind the head. So we're going to start with a small half circle coming down and then up. From the outside, we're just going to bend this across and in behind the arm. And we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Fang from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.